Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is always in a good health this weekend. And today I have some experience to make a very authentic and very ancient recipe since the Ottoman Sultan. It's called Kavun Dolmasi or rice stuffed melon. The taste is very rich. It's some cases like rice biryani or like some Middle East rice that usually mixed with raisins and nuts. But this one with the combination of the baked melons, so the taste is become very special. It is actually very easy to make. You just prepare the grounded beef, some dill, a bunch of dill and celery, and then some butter, olive oil, and of course you prepare one piece of melon. This time I'm using Rocky melon that is available in Thailand. I bought it about 50 baht. I don't buy expensive melon because actually I love the nature of melon, the taste of natural melon. So I try to buy the less expensive one. Then to remove the inside of flesh of the melon in order to make a kind of ball. And in this ball you are going to put some spice rice, and afterward we bake. Melon is very special fruit, I think, in everywhere. For example, like in Japan, in Hokkaido, there is a kind of melon which is very expensive, and it's become a kind of symbol of gratitude, like between business partner. If they want to send the invoice, like they can bring the melon as a say thank you for your gratitude and your trust to our business, something like that. And that kind of melon can be cost more than about like 1,000 US dollar. And probably also on the Ottoman Sultan era, melon was already a very special fruit, and it's a kind of symbol luxury, a symbol of a very delicate and very delicious food. So they convert it into this food. But I also read from some search on the internet that this kind of culture is the influence from Persian or Armenian culture as well. I don't know, but those areas also become a part of the Ottoman area, Ottoman conquered. So I think it can be mixed culture that can happen here and there. So I'm very curious about how it's look and how it tastes, because when I went to Turkey I didn't have a chance to try this recipe. And now let's prepare the rice. You put the frying pan and then put some butter, and afterward you add some olive oil. Then you add some other ingredient, for example like onion. You can use big onion or you can use salad, whatever you like and whatever available in your country. And then you keep stirring until it's become translucent. Please make sure the heat of the stove is not so hot, like medium heat or a bit lower heat, because onion get burned easily. Then you you start at the grounded beef. Um, Actually, it was recommended to use the lamb beef or grounded beef with some fat. But because of my health, I think I prefer to use beef with less fat or non-fat. But I don't know. In the market, I just found this one with some fat. Then you keep stirring until it's well mixed. Then add other ingredients like garlic, allspice. This allspice that you can put some like grounded cumins, coriander, ginger, some what is it? Turmeric powder, and also I add some salt, and then skip mix stirring from time to time. And I also put the remaining melon flesh, I mean the inside of melon that I have already put it out, and put it back here in the mixture. And you keep stirring. Actually, I should cut into small slice this melon in order to be well mixed in this mixture. And afterward, I also add some steamed rice. You can use any rice, but I think it's better to use the rice that is not easily soft or not too fluffy, because afterward we are going to bake it in the melon, so it should be like more tough, I mean like more hard rice. Then you also add some cinnamon and also grounded black pepper, and you keep stirring. And if everything has been well mixed, then you don't have to put it too long on the heat, because actually everything has been well cooked. But we are going to process it inside the melon. We bake it and until the melon is getting soft and cooked, and you will see. We bake the melon in the oven with 150 degree for about 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, you have to be careful. You have to watch the condition of your melon, because my oven is very hot and my melon is small, so it was quickly getting soft, and just avoid not to get burned. Mine in 20 minutes the melon has been done, has been soft, and the shape has become smaller. And actually I still have some remaining rice that I put on the pot here, so that I don't waste anything. The result is really satisfying because it looks so beautiful. The taste like there are some the flavor, the aroma of all the allspice, Middle East spice, with some fruit and nuts. For example, like I put my stuff, I only have some peanut, some raisin, because actually it's recommended to use all kind of nut, raisin or berries, and then afterward you mix, you dig inside like the meat, the flesh of the melon that has been cooked. It's so tender, and it's really become a very good combination. So this is a very delicate. I think that's why it's become very delicious cuisine in that area, that specially prepared for the Sultan of the Ottoman Empire. It's a very interesting recipe for me, and I think it's a very recommended to try to please your guests with something special. And this time actually it's not so expensive, all the ingredients that I use, all the ingredients available in our country right now. Hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to press the like button, subscribe and share. Hope to see you again in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.